Welcome to the Kamaiwakan, 2,790 meters above sea level. It's located at the 7th station on the Yoshida Trail. It takes about 2 to 2.5 hours to reach the hut from the 5th station. The Yoshida Trail is marked as yellow on the signposts. Please remove your shoes when you enter the hut. Check-in is from 11 a.m. until 7 p.m., but the hut recommends you arrive by 3 p.m. To check in, show your booking confirmation email and pay a one-time fee of 200 yen for toilet usage throughout your stay. The staff will then give you a plastic bag for your shoes and check your departure time for the next day. After checking in, the staff will take you to where you are sleeping for the night, in the sleeping quarters located either on the first floor or the second floor. There are various types of rooms. The dormitory is a shared space with 2 levels separated by a curtain. The private capsule is separated by walls on either side and a curtain in front. Capsules can be booked for 1 or 2 people. The private room has a locking door with an upper and lower level, sleeping 2 people on the top and 2 people on the bottom. Private rooms are available to be booked for 1 to 4 people. The loft room is on the upper level and can sleep 2 people. The single private capsule is separated by walls on either side and a curtain in front. It can sleep 1 person. In all the sleeping areas, there is a sleeping bag, pillow and cover, as well as an electronic socket to charge your devices. Lights out is at 8 p.m. Toilets are located outside of the hut on the left. There is a bin for sanitary products if necessary. This is the dining room. Dinner is a beef bowl with rice served from 4:30 p.m. until 7 p.m. A vegetarian curry is available to reserve in advance. You can also purchase soft drinks, snacks and alcohol at the shop located in the reception area or at the front of the hut from 4:30 a.m. until 1 a.m. the following day. There is no breakfast at the Kamaiwakan, but you can purchase sweet packaged bread from the hut shop in the morning. Some hikers purchase a souvenir stick called gongodze, which you can get stamped at some stations. You can collect your Kamaiwakan stamp during shop hours. Most people hike to the summit to see the sunrise, but it is also possible to see a beautiful sunrise from the hut. Just make sure to check out by 5 a.m. It takes about 3.5 hours to hike to the summit from the hut.